In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Shopify Dawn theme footer. Let's start right from your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main admin area, which is essentially the control center for your entire store. This is where you manage products, orders, customers, and of course, your online store's design. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the option labeled Online Store and click it. This opens up the section where all of your themes live. You'll see your current theme at the top, usually marked as your live theme. Next, find the button that allows you to customize or edit the theme. In many setups, this is labeled Edit Theme or Customize. Click that to open the theme editor. This is where you'll visually edit different parts of your store, including the footer. Once the editor is open, look at the left-hand column that lists all the sections on the page. Scroll down until you find the footer section and click on it. This will load all the settings related to your footer on the right-hand side. One of the first options you'll see is the color scheme. Click on that to change the background and text colors of your footer. Try to choose colors that match your brand and provide good contrast so that your links and text are easy to read. You'll also see a toggle for email sign up. Turn this on if you want to add a newsletter or email subscription form in your footer. After enabling it, click into the field titled Heading to customize the text your visitors see above the email sign up, such as subscribe to our newsletter or something that fits your brand voice. Further down, you'll find the utilities section. Here you can enable several useful options. A prompt for visitors to follow you on the Shop app if you use Shop Pay, social media icons for any accounts you've connected, a country or region selector, a language selector, payment method icons, and links to your store policies. Simply switch on the toggles for the items you want to display. Below that is the spacing section. You can drag the bar or type in a value to adjust the top margin of your footer, controlling how much space appears above it. Then, in the padding section, you can adjust the top and bottom padding to control the internal spacing within the footer itself. If you need more advanced visual tweaks, click on Custom CSS to add your own CSS code. Finally, open theme settings to manage your social media links, update or remove them, and add an image and headline that fit your brand. When you're happy with everything, make sure your changes are saved and your new footer design will be live on your store.